but oh my god, these are so light. Lightest wheels I've ever held up. Aren't those nice? Hey, welcome back to another episode of memosgarageaz. Today is the final prep day before I go to the drag strip, and what I'm doing today is I'm installing a torquesolution billet aluminum transmission mount. I'm also doing an oil change, and I am gutting the car, which means gutting the trunk, rear seats, and passenger front seat. So let's get started. Okay, so I was getting ready to do the video for the installation of this carbon fiber bumper insert, but my wheels came in, so I'm gonna do like a quick unboxing, and then I'm gonna go get the tires mounted. I'll show you guys the tires as well, and by the time you see this video, this should be done. So that'll be the video following this. But anyways, let me do a quick unboxing. Of course, you can't tell from the box, these are Enkies. They're 16 by 7, 45 offset, everything's right here. 16 by 7, 43 offset. The board 73, I believe, and I got hub centric rings to make it fit my wheel, my hub. So come in, check this out. This is my first set of Enkie wheels that I've ever bought, actually. And if these work out pretty well, I might buy some 17s later. But, oh my god, these are so light. Lightest wheels I've ever held up. Aren't those nice? So check it out. Oh, this is gonna look good. So let me show you the tires. What is this? Oh, it comes with a nice valve stem already. Sweet. And these are the tires. I think 245 was the widest I was going to be able to run on that 17 by 16 by 7. 245, 50, 16. These are Nittto's NT555Rs. I think these are the ones. I think there's like another version. So this is what I'm going to be running. And I wanted to get these a little taller, but I couldn't find anything taller than that. So that's essentially what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna go get those mounted, and then I'll show what they look like on the car. I'll be back. So here's the transmission mount. Let's open this thing up. So I am not gonna do like an install video, because actually there's already one on YouTube. That's the one I watched, and that's the reason why I ended up buying this. But I'll put the link to that video on the description. So this thing's pretty light. I wonder how much the OEM one weighs. So I'm gonna get started with that. I'm already doing the oil change, and I gotta get to the rear seats. And I actually want to see how these are going to look in the rear. So I'll be right back. Okay, that sucker's in there. I have to make two of the holes right here, this one, and then the one right here, a little bigger to make fit. But once I did that, got everything in. I couldn't find any torque specs, so did everything by feel. But I will keep double checking that every oil change. All I got left now is finish the oil change, gut the rear, or gut the car, and then put those on, lower it, see how it looks. Almost there, getting excited. Oh, oh. Look at that. That actually looks really good. I'm thinking of getting a set for the front now. Maybe get some wheel spacers, bring it out a little bit. But I like how that looks. It goes with the car. Everything out, except for my seat, my garage. It's gonna have me in our sale soon. I love how that looks. So that's a really tight space right there, but it clears everything, including the weights. Hopefully those don't go flying on me. I should have put duct tape on them. I don't know. We'll see what happens. All I got left now is test drive. But I'm gonna take these off. I'm not gonna use these until I get to the track. Test drive coming up. Alright, here we go, getting out to the street. Other than that, well, the airbag thing is flashing because I disconnected the passenger seat. But freaking rear end just came loose because it's so light back there now. So that's gonna be interesting. Usually you need a little weight to help keep the wheels down, but I'm going for a weight reduction, so we'll see how that's gonna work. With the slicks, we'll see if I can grab. I don't know if I'm gonna try without the launch control. Launch control, what is this thing called? So I'm gonna try with the traction control off and on. Actually, I don't even know what to do, because if this thing if both wheels grab good, then I can go in a straight line, we're good. But if one spins more than the other, I'm going into a wall. So I don't know what to do yet. I'm gonna have to feel it out when I'm there. Try it a little bit. Maybe not launch so hard. So that mount definitely helped make the shits feel smoother. Definitely 100% worth it. So that's as ready as I'm gonna be. We'll see how I do. I haven't been to the track in like over 10 years, so you know, first run will probably be really terrible, but you know, I'm gonna do my best to do the best to represent the G's sedans out there. And next video will follow this one, which will be the track day, and it shouldn't be that many days, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks again for watching, and until next time. Today we're gonna put together this fake Lego 25-piece policeman with an ATV. Close enough.